Hi and welcome to Bobby Reviews. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to use a custom domain for your landing page. So continuing on from where we left off last time, we created this landing page. And what we want to do in this video is to have a customized domain so that we can brand our landing page and get a much nicer looking landing page URL, which looks much prettier than this, and which ties in either with our website or with our brand or what we are trying to promote. So let's say, for instance, we have a product that's called The Power of Plants, and we get ourselves a domain called Plant Power, Power of Plants, something along those lines. So we can use that domain, which we have purchased, to make a landing page address, which will look a lot neater than how this landing page looks. So let's go into how we can do that now. So where we left off in the last video, we'd finish our landing page, which is that, and this is our URL for this landing page, which is shown here. So what we're going to go ahead now and do is make a landing page with a custom domain. So first, go into My Accounts, go into Domains and Addresses, come down to Landing Pages and Connect Domain. You can also, if you have a blog or a website, you can create a subdomain of that main website, that main root domain. And I'll show you how to do that in a separate video. If you're able to use a custom domain, it does help to really tie things together. It looks a lot neater, and I think it's a lot more effective in your conversions, in bringing about trust. Everything just looks a lot more cohesive. So we'll go ahead and start getting our custom domain, for our landing page. So here at the bottom is landing page domains. We click on here, connect domain. So we go and get our domain that we'll be using from our domain provider. So I'm using GoDaddy, and we're going to add. So we're going to first of all add this first row, and the type is A. So what we're going to do is select A. The host will be @ you can see here it says name host in brackets, so we type in @, and where it says, you can click here to copy it, and where it says here points to, that's what we're going to put in here. All right, and we save it. Then we're going to add another one. This time the type is going to be, let's go back to our AWeber. The type will be the CNAME. Select CNAME. The host will be www. I'll just be lazy and copy it. www, and it points to this. Okay, click to copy. We go back over to GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc., and we put it in there. Okay, and we save, and that's it. All right, now this could take 48 hours for all this, okay, to be updated. But basically, when you finish copying all the details over into your GoDaddy, Namecheap accounts, then you're done. All right, so you give it 48 hours so that by the time you come back to your landing page, this will no longer be saying AWeber.page. It will now have your custom domain in here, and that's how it's all done. Okay, so that's it for using a custom domain for your landing page. It's quite straightforward. Don't be thrown, don't be confused, just follow each step step by step. If you don't have the option of using a custom domain initially, don't worry too much about it. But if you do have the option, it's definitely a good way of making your brand, your message, everything a lot neater. So if you are able to do it, do go ahead and do that. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was clear and easy for you to follow. If you did enjoy this video, please do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe, hit the notification bell for weekly helpful videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.